Claypencil. It generates from a closed path, a clay of variable thickness. Launch Bumarin. Press F2 to activate Claypencil. Press left mouse button to draw your clay. You can select box shape for drawing or select circle shape. Generate the clay. Select all the clays and play with the parameter in the panel or mouse wheel button to increase the thickness. Select all the clays and convert them to mesh. Or apply quadraflow to remesh the set. Press Tab to enter Transformer mode and edit the clays. Press Home to enter Sculpt mode to sculpt the clays.